Are you an employee, OFW man o locally employed, or kung ikaw man ay seaman at naghahanap ka ng rent-to-own property na para sa iyo at sa pamilya mo, or simply you are a business owner na naghahanap ng rental property, this one is perfect for you. Imagine, for only 10,000 total cash out, magkakaroon ka na ng 2-bedroom unit dito sa Urban Deca Homes Ortigas. You heard it right, 10,000 lang talaga ang una mong ilalabas hanggang sa ma-turnover sa iyo ang unit mo. Kasi under Pag-ibig Financing, we are currently in a zero down payment promo. Yes, walang down payment, walang equity. Pagka-turnover sa'yo ng unit mo or pagka-move-in mo, tsaka pa lang talaga mag-i-start ang monthly amortization mo. And I can guarantee you na ito yung pinaka-affordable na condo unit na pwede mong ma-avail within Metro Manila. And here's the sample computation. The total contract price starts at 3 million pesos. And ito naman yung reservation fee or yung total cash out mo, 10,000 pesos lang yan. And for the down payment or the equity, it's 0. So, ibig sabihin, pagka-reserve mo ng napili mong unit habang naghihintay ka ng approval, wala kang babayarang monthly up until the date na ma-take out or ma-approve yung loan mo or pagka-move-in mo. Your monthly amortization will be 18,500 to 19,000. That is for 30 years and that is for Pag-ibig Financing. But we are open for cash, for bank financing, and also for in-house financing. And client, meron din tayong tinatawag na required monthly income for Ortigas, and for 2-bedroom unit na 30.60 square meter, our required monthly income is only 56,000 pesos. Now, kung nag-aalala ka baka hindi abot yung monthly income ko sa required nyo, pwede kang kumuha ng co-borrower. You can actually get up to 2 co-borrower. Let's say for example, your monthly income is only 30,000. So, meron kang kulang na 36,000, right? You can get another person that is earning that much, or let's say for example, you have a friend or family member na merong 15,000 na basic salary and the other one is earning 26,000, then you can get them both. Yan na lahat, client, yung mga kailangan mong malaman when it comes to sample computation. Now, if you have other questions, you can comment down below or you can simply message me to my Viber or WhatsApp account. And client, kung meron kang question about move-in fees, like kung how much, and kung ano yung mga sakop nun, or let's say, mag-move-in ka na, tapos may question ka kung ano ba yung mga other charges, like yung mga condo dues, at kung magkano, mag-comment ka lang dito sa video na ito, gagawan natin ng another video yan. And lastly, client, if you have referrals, ako na ang bahalang magbigay ng simple token sa inyo. Yung contact number ko ay nasa description, nasa video din natin. This is Ron again. Thank you for watching.